So what we have here is a Samsung Galaxy S2 for AT&T. It is the not the Skyrocket, but the i777, which is I think exactly the same as the Skyrocket, except for this is slightly smaller. It has the 4.3-inch display versus the Skyrocket's 4.5. 8 megapixel camera, dual core processor, I think 1.2. I don't know if we're exactly sure. To check the specs on that. The phone itself is in flawless condition. I would say other than where you can see the USB going in and out, that's about the only wear on it. It's been in a case since it was new. It's got the Super AMOLED Plus display on it, plus Super AMOLED Plus, which this is the only phone, I think the only phone there is. The Galaxy S2 series are the only phones with the Super AMOLED Plus in them. And the Plus just gives you a more, it's just a different pixel arrangement, and it gives you more contrast. The blacks are, when the phone's black, like this, you can't really tell the difference in the black casing and it's just dark. And the blacks, when you have like that also right there, you can't see the line between the screen and the phone. When it's just the best contrast. Anyway, there's one thing wrong with the phone. It's the charging part. The charging port is, it's not working when I connect it to the USB on the computer. It won't show up. But it's got to be charging because the battery stays full. Although it doesn't show that little electric thing showing that it's charging. So I'm going to sell it as is not charging, even though it is. Even though I think it is, it is charging, because otherwise it's been like this for a while. So for days and days and days. So and as you can see, the battery's nearly full, and it wasn't a minute ago when I plugged it into this USB. So it is charging. I don't know if it would charge with a regular regular micro USB, because this one I slightly, it's like if you shove it in to the port to the socket, it will it doesn't work. Just plugging it in just like it is. But if you push a little bit harder, all of a sudden you'll see that electric thing come on right now. But I can't do it while I'm filming and stuff. I can push it, right there, and there it goes. So I guess I don't know. Maybe it's just because I hit the button. But other than that, what I would recommend is getting an external charger. You can get one for about 10 to 15 at most. Made in China, but it's an external charger, and most of them come with a couple batteries that you can use as spares while the one in here is charging. Other than that, perfect condition. The screen is flawless. The plastic, there's really nothing. There's nothing. It's obviously never been dropped or anything, because there's no scars anywhere on it. So anyway, that's about it. Free shipping, USPS. I'll ship it via USPS. So it should arrive within about 3 days of whenever I ship it. Obviously less if it's on the West Coast, and it'll be the maximum time if it's on the East Coast. So that's about it.